Hello guys, a very good afternoon and a very warm welcome to this super interesting, super amazing and a very fun filled session of quizzes on biology with me Pritesh, your friend, your dost and a proud educator from Embibe. And today we are going to do a general biology quiz on everything that we know about biology, right? It's going to be super fun, it's going to be super interesting. All I need from you is being a little active. I want you guys to quickly and actively give me answers in the chat so that we'll move ahead with this quiz and have lots of fun. During the course of the quiz, I'll also be explaining concepts to you, so that will be a very fun filled way of learning as well. So are you ready to rock the quiz? Let us begin. But before we move ahead, let me tell you a little bit about the amazing Embibe page where every day it's either me or Ankara ma'am or Surbhi ma'am or Tushar sir, we are coming live on the Embibe app conducting amazing classes for you, and this is an app where you can actually play quizzes with us. And how does this app work? What all can you do on this app? What all are the different kinds of explorations that you can experience on this app? All this I'll be telling you today at 7 p.m. So to join my class at 7 p.m. on the Embibe app, I want first of all of you to download the Embibe app, which is freely available on Google Store and Apple Store, and then just go like this on the Embibe app. When you go on the Embibe app, you need to register, give your basic information and just go on home. When you go on home and click on Embibe live classes, you can see that here is my class today at 7 p.m. Okay? And today at 7 p.m. there is a class which says that welcome to the new age learning. So this is my class, and when I just click on register now, they say awesome, you have registered for Pritesh Joshi's live class on welcome to the new age or learning. So it's that easy. So I'll be looking forward to having all of you in my class today at 7 o'clock. Let's have lots of fun. Let us explore the Embibe page more in detail, and I would be joined by your favorite Ankana ma'am and Surbhi ma'am in the class as well. So it's going to be super amazing. Okay, very well. So let's begin now with the quiz. So we are going to do a general biology quiz with all the different concepts of bio. So here is the first question. Out of the following groups of crops, which crop is included in the Kharif crops? Now this is from your grade 8 chapter, crop production and management, where you understand that Kharif crops means your monsoon crops, the crops that require a lot of water. Okay? The word monsoon comes from the Arabic word mosam. Now, is it rice, wheat, corn? Is it rice, maize, soya, mustard, or rice, mustard and cotton? Which of these are the Kharif crops? So, if you look at the hint, it tells us that they are domesticated plants that are cultivated and harvested in India, Pakistan and Bangladesh during the rainy season. And if I look at all the options, I realize that rice, maize and soya are the Kharif crops. Okay? Chaliye. Absolutely correct. So rice, maize and soya are the Kharif crops. Rabi crops are the crops that are based on, they are the winter crops like your wheat, mustard and these are your winter crops. Chaliye. Next one. Select which of these is not an autotroph. Now if you look at the word autotroph, the word autotroph itself tells you auto means self, automatically. So auto means self and tropism means nourishment. So the ones who nourish themselves are called autotrophs. So are flowers autotrophs, mosses, mushrooms or Venus flytrap? Which of these is not an autotroph? You need to focus on the word not, and then we will tap on one picture. By the time, let us look at the hint. The hint tells us that mushroom do not photosynthesize. So think about it. You know that Venus flytrap is an insectivorous plant. So think about it. I'll give you 10 seconds and then we'll look at the answer. Perfect. The answer to the question is mushrooms. Now why mushrooms? Because mushroom belong to the kingdom called fungi. Fungi are neither plants nor animals, and that's why they have a completely different kingdom. They carry out saprotropic mode of nutrition. Now saprotropic or saprophytic mode of nutrition means that they feed on dead and decaying organic matter, which means whether it is wood or leather or paper or any kind of tree trunk, anything, they will secrete certain enzymes which will dissolve that particular organic matter, the surface, and they will just suck the nutrients from there. So that is called saprotropic mode of nutrition, which is seen in mushrooms. Let us look at the next question. Identify and drag the correct label of teeth which will be used to tear and cut the food. So we have got here incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Now incisors are these four ones which are in the front, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are incisors. Then these two are canines. Okay? Then you have got the premolars and then the molars. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 16 plus 16, 32 teeth, right? The entire dentition is 32. Now if you look at it, the front four are the incisors, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have got the pointed ones as the canines. Okay? Hi Isha. Then after those, so this is 4 plus 2 is 6. You are left with 10 now. So out of those 10, you have got 2 premolars and 3 molars, 2 premolars and 3 molars. So it is 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3. And that is your dentition. Same is on the above side also, and total you have got 32 teeth. Now out of these 32, incisors are used to hold the food, right? Premolars and molars are used for crushing and grinding the food. Then what is used for tearing the food? It is canine. Okay? So canine is used for to tear and cut the food. Now yes Isha, you are absolutely right. And because carnivores like lions and tigers, they tear and cut the meat, and that is why they have got very, very long canines. You see your cats, lions, tigers, they will have very long canines, whereas your horses, giraffes, they will have lots of incisors to bite the grass, right? So grass eating animals like deer, horses, zebras, they will have very prominent incisors, but meat eating animals like lions and tigers, they'll have canines, very long canines. Then the different processes in which stomata help are dash, dash and dash. So stomata helps in doing what? Does it help in reproduction, photosynthesis, respiration, mineral absorption, nitrogen fixation or gaseous exchange? How does stomata help us? Now what is stomata? Stomata are special pores that are present on the undersurface of the leaf. They look something like this. Right? This is the stomatal pore. These are the guard cells. So photosynthesis, respiration and gaseous exchange is what Isha is telling us. Let us see. Gaseous exchange and respiration. So yeah, the answer is right. It is photosynthesis, respiration and gaseous exchange. We just had to arrange in a particular order. But you are absolutely right Isha, that is very nice, amazing. Chaliye. Now, so as you can see, the different processes in which stomata helps are photosynthesis, respiration and gaseous exchange. Okay? Chaliye. Now, they also help in transpiration. Connect the bubbles to their correct match, explaining the characteristics of the human heart. So we have got function of the human heart, location of the human heart, blood vessel that brings blood to the heart, and number of chambers in the heart. And in the green bubbles we have got 4 aorta pumps blood to all parts of the body, chest cavity and pulmonary vein. ठीक है? So let us go with the easiest one, that is number of chambers in the heart. So how many chambers are there in the heart? How many chambers are there in the heart? Function is pumps, okay. Function is pumps blood. Chambers, very good, it is 4 chambers, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. What about location of the heart? Location, chest cavity, very good. And then we are left with blood vessel that brings blood to the heart. Is it pulmonary vein or is it the systemic aorta? Who will bring the blood towards the heart? Think. Yeah, it is pulmonary vein. Absolutely correct, Isha. Very good, amazing, very nice, great performance. ठीक है? So you can see this is the heart, it is the pumping organ. It is made up of 4 chambers, 2 upper auricles and 2 lower ventricles. And the systemic aorta takes the blood to the entire body, whereas the pulmonary artery takes the blood to the lungs. The pulmonary veins brings the blood to the heart from the lungs, and aorta is the systemic aorta. It is an artery, it is nothing but an artery which is taking the blood from the heart to the entire body. चलिए. Next one, select the parts of the plant that contains functional xylem vessels. So who has xylem vessels? Is it the root, stem, leaves or fruits? You can select multiple parts also. Stem and roots. Uh-oh, not correct. It is stem, roots and leaves. Even leaves have got xylem vessels. ठीक है ईशा? So leaves में भी xylem होता है, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है? चलिए, moving on to the next question. Drag and put all the substances in the bucket which are used to make organic fertilizer. So organic fertilizer या फिर manure हम किससे बनाएंगे? You have got banana peels, eggshells, cow dung, fruits and vegetable peels, and this is some powder. So which of these you will use to make organic fertilizer? You can even tell me the number, Isha. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. चलिए जल्दी. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Absolutely correct. Very good. Very nice. Correct. It is banana peels, eggshells, vegetable leftovers and cow dung. All of these are used to make organic fertilizer, which is absolutely good for the soil. It will add a texture to the soil. It will give soil, it will increase the porosity of the soil. It will increase the water retention capacity, and it will make the soil rich in humus as well. Nitrates have to be converted to nitrogen gas because they accumulate in living organisms. High level of nitrates can have a negative impact on the environment. Plants can eat too much, animals hate nitrogen. So we know that how nitrogen gas is converted to nitrates to make proteins, but then these nitrates are also converted back to nitrogen. Why? So you are saying because it will have a negative impact on the environment. You are absolutely right, Isha. Very good. Amazingly awesome. Very good. ठीक है? And that is why nitrates have to be converted back to the nitrogen gas as well, and that also maintains the nitrogen cycle in the environment. Next one. Connect the correct features of the polar bear with its respective bubbles. So we have got feathers, we have got fur, we have got claws, and we have got paws. So which of these are the features of adaptation in a polar bear? So they have given a hint that they cannot fly. So you can also tell me the numbers, Isha. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5 you are saying. Now which is 1? Okay, I got what you want to say, Isha. So absolutely correct. Very good. Amazing performance. Great. Chalo, next question. Let us see. Select the plant with a taproot. So we have got onion, dandelion, lawn grass and palm tree. Which of these will have a taproot? Which of these will have a taproot? Onion, dandelion, lawn grass or palm tree? Two and 3 you are saying, okay. No, the correct answer only will be dandelion. Now here, Isha, I would like to give you a formula. Please remember this formula for life. The formula is PFRT. It means that the trees or the leaves who will have parallel venation, they will always have fibrous roots. But those who have reticulate venation, they will always have tap roots. Now onion के leaves ऐसे होते हैं. So the venation is always parallel, right? Lawn grass is also with parallel venation. Even palm tree. पैरेलल वेनेशन. बट अगर आप डैंडेलियन को देखोगे, it will have a reticulate venation. So always remember PFRT, reticulate venation, tap root, parallel venation, fibrous roots. Got it, ईशा? ये फॉर्मूला रिमेंबर कीजिए, आपको बहुत काम आएगा आगे भी. Then next one. Connect the bubbles according to the disease and the microbes that cause them. So we have got hepatitis A, anthrax, polio, malaria, measles, and the causative agents are protozoa, virus and bacteria. Think and answer. Protozoa, malaria, okay. Then what about anthrax, hepatitis A, polio and measles? Virus is anthrax. Are you sure? Are you sure, Isha? Okay, I'll tell you that anthrax is caused by Bacillus anthracis. Anthrax is caused by Bacillus anthracis. Now would you like to change your answer? Okay. So anthrax is caused by a bacteria named Bacillus anthracis. Now can you tell me for virus, is it only hepatitis A or only measles or only polio? Okay, even polio. Polio is also caused by a virus. What about measles? What about measles, Isha? Is it by virus? Yes or no? No. Okay, chalo. So I'll submit, and we are not correct because even measles is caused by a virus. Okay? Measles is also caused by a virus. So hepatitis A, polio and measles, they all are caused by virus. Anthrax is caused by bacteria, whereas malaria is caused by a protozoa called plasmodium. Okay? Chaliye. Now here you have to label the bacterial cell. Drag and label the correct parts of the bacterial cell. So we have got ribosome, cytoplasm, nucleoid and capsule. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You can tell me, Isha, how to put it. First one is ribosome. Second one is you have to tell me. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ribosome, cytoplasm, nucleoid, capsule. One is cytoplasm. Okay. What is 2? What is 2? This is 2. This blank is 2. See it nicely. Quick, 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 quick. Second one is capsule. Yes, very good. Then this is 3. This one. This purple color things. This is 3. So it is nucleoid or ribosome? Okay, you are saying 3 is ribosome and 4 is nucleoid. यहाँ पे थोड़ी गड़बड़ हो गई because third is nucleoid and fourth is ribosome. What is nucleoid? So if you will see that in a bacteria, yes, Isha, in a bacteria there is no nucleus. The entire material of the nucleus is just freely suspended in the cytoplasm, and that is called as nucleoid. So number 3 will be nucleoid and 4 will be ribosome. Chaliye. Next question. Animals are considered dash when their population numbers are as low that they risk extinction. So when an animal is about to get extinct, what will you call it? You will call it rare, extinct or endangered. Very, very easy question, very interesting. C. Very good, very nice. And before endangered comes vulnerable. So those who are about to get endangered, they become vulnerable. So vulnerable, endangered, extinct. Chaliye. Now drag and drop one of the health hazard of usage of drugs to their provided space. So drugs can cause typhoid, malaria or AIDS. What can usage of drugs and syringes cause? ड्रग्स एंड सिरिंजेस से क्या हो सकता है? टाइफॉइड, मलेरिया या HIV एड्स? वेरी गुड, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, वेरी नाइस. चलिए, and this brings me to the last question. Among the given option, which one causes acid rain? Acid rain किसकी वजह से होता है? Sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, both or none? What causes acid rain? Okay, you're saying C, both 1 and 2, and that is absolutely correct. So I think Isha, except for 1 or 2, you got all of them right. That is amazingly awesome. Very good. Great performance, Isha. And now remember that now all your favorite teachers of Embibe, they are live on the Embibe app, where you don't have to give answers in the chat. You can yourself play the quiz and have your name on the leaderboard. So make sure that you download the Embibe app and you start watching the classes which are live. Yesterday it was Ankana ma'am. Today I am coming live at 7 o'clock. है ना? Yes, grade 7 के लिए भी है. तो ज़रूर एम्बाइब के आज जो मैं 7 बजे क्लास लेने वाला हूँ, इट इज़ अ जनरल क्लास फॉर ऑल द ग्रेड्स. So you can come, Isha, definitely. I'll wait for you at 7 o'clock. Just download the Embibe app and you can start with my classes. ठीक है? All the best, Isha. It was so nice having you in the class. God bless you. And until we meet next, this is Pritesh, your host, your dose, and a proud educator from Embibe. Signing off for now, only to see you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed, stay safe, and keep imbibing. We believe in you.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.